Hot Jeebus! Howdy do. I'm your insurance agent. We can't cover you. That's damage that we don't cover. You a Game of Thrones fan? Night gathers, and now my watch begins. It shall not end until my death. Until my death. Well, can't argue with that. Here's a check. And here's your estimates for all your repairs. Carpet and the walls. You have a good day. Oh, thanks. Cool. All right. See you later. Hi, how you doing? I'm your local Las Vegas contractor, and I can tell you right now, whatever the insurance company gave you, it's not enough. We're gonna need to ask for more.
No, I got an estimate and some money to pay for everything.
Let me see. And I'll take this. Let's take a look here.
Yeah, but you see,
Oh, yeah, this ain't enough. This ain't enough money.
well, actually,
Oh, she gave you some money for carpeting? Yeah, no, that's mine. I'm taking that money. You don't need it for carpeting. What's this money for? Because you moved stuff? She gave you money for moving stuff out of the way? I'm taking that money too. I got bills to pay, okay? I gotta pay my guys. I gotta pay workman's comp. You don't know what that is because you don't run your own business.
I run my own business.
Oh, you do run your own business? Well, doesn't matter. I'm taking all this money and I'm taking the check. Thanks.